All right, so back at it again with another video. I was a little busy this week and definitely didn't have as much time to accomplish everything that I wanted to. But if you'll remember from last week, um, I created a page and we were targeting some keywords. So, real quick, let's review. So, here are the keywords I'm targeting, and you'll see I'm not found. And honestly, that's not a surprise. So what I went ahead and did this morning was whipped out a quick landing page, which has this need to sell my house fast keyword targeted for it. And I think it turned out pretty well. I think it looks great. I could probably go through and add some more city specific, you know, relevance to some of these keywords, but all in all, it'll work for now. So in this video, I kind of want to show you how to solve the whole not showing up in Google problem. And how we solve that is with Google Search Console. This is the platform that Google gives us to submit sitemaps, check for crawl errors, and do a lot of technical SEO stuff. And don't get overwhelmed. Like, this is super easy. And once you get in here a little bit more, I bet you'll get more comfortable and confident with it. So first things first, we need to add a property. So just go to google.com, Webmaster Tools, select on Search Console. Log in with whatever Gmail account you kind of manage all your websites with. And for this one, for this example, I should say, I will put in okay. You actually do need to add both your www and your non-www. Those are two different sites in Google's eyes. I've already added the non-www site. A lot of W's. So then here it's going to say basically we need to verify. I've already done that with Google Analytics. Because I have Analytics installed, all I need to do is click that, select verify. Congratulations. And now I get this little bit of a dashboard here. So it looks pretty boring. Let me show you real quick what one should look like when it is configured. So I will go grab another one of my sites. I believe this one has some interesting data. Cool. So in here we can see, things are connected. Your site's live in Google's eyes. There's been 106 URLs submitted, so pages, posts, all that kind of stuff. And 81 of those have been indexed. So Google is aware of them and is going to start serving those up in the search results. So let's go ahead and do that for this site so we can get that taken care of. And I'm going to go down here to this one because I'm going to tell Google that the www version is my main version and I want you guys to index anything that is on that site. So if I come to crawl and then I go to sitemaps, all I need to do is tell Google where my sitemap is located. And if you're an Investor Carrot member, which you probably are since you're watching this video, you have a sitemap already generated at this URL right here on your domain name. So we make it real easy to submit your sitemap in console, in the Search Console, so we can test it first. Oops. Okay, view the results, no errors found. Okay, cool, let's add it. Perfect. Refresh the page. And basically what we're doing here is telling Google, hey, I have a bunch of pages on my domain that I would like for you to search and I would like for you to index them. So that is now being processed. It'll probably take a couple hours, maybe a little bit longer, but now Google will have a record of all these pages on my domain name. So that's all we got to do for right now. And we're going to check back in here in a couple days and I bet you will show up in the search results. Now, I would suspect, we're going to be 30, 40, 50 positions behind first page, which is okay. But it'll give us a good starting point to kind of see where we're going. And hopefully here, once we get these searches showing up, we can start doing some reporting based on how much we are able to rank up or stay the same based on some of the stuff we're doing and the keywords we are targeting. So again, just real quick to polish this off, if you haven't set up analytics yet, just simply go to settings, analytics and scripts. You can put the analytics code here. I dropped it in the head. I was having some problems with it allowing me to verify in Google Search Console. So I just copied out the script tag and put it here and saved it, and it was working. So go ahead and give that a try and get started with indexing in Google Search. So I went ahead and shot a little quick follow-up to this. I didn't do a great job of explaining how you tell Google which site you would like for them to notice more, the www or the non-www. And what you'll see here is if you come up to messages, this is where Google's going to tell you if they ever have some problems crawling your site or whatever. So one thing we can do here is select the preferred version. And how we actually get there, I believe, is under, let's see here, looking for it now. Well, it's up here in this little widget. It's under site settings. And then I'm going to say display. My preferred domain is the www version. And then I'm just going to leave it as that. Okay, cool. So now, kind of annoying, but I have to go do that on my non-www version of my site. So let's do that real quick here. And I'll show you the way we go this way. And okay, so it's smart now. It knows which one I mean, but that's kind of just showing you how to set up the preferred domain there.